Hey guys, okay, so today we're using the Crayon Case matte book. Obviously, I'm taking that blue shade and I'm tapping that into my crease. We're only going to use 2 shades out of this palette, which is so crazy. And then I'm going to take that light blue and I'm going to buff out those edges so we can, we have to blend. So blending is the key to makeup and eyeshadow looks. And now I'm just going to take a concealer and I'm just cutting a crease. This is a Crayon Case brush. I forgot the number, but it is so bomb, y'all. Like, do y'all see how clean that cut is? And then I'm just taking that blue and I'm just blending out everything so that when we put the shadow on, everything blends out perfectly. Now I'm gonna take the Smolder Cosmetics Loose Glam Dust in Princess Blue. Do y'all see this pigment? Like, oh my gosh, I just want to use this by itself, no glitter added, and I am going to do a look like that soon, very soon. So yeah, I'm just tapping that right on top of that concealer, and then I'm gonna take Cutie Pop Glitzy Glitter, and I use NYX glitter glue to place that on there, and then I'm gonna use Bat Your Lashes in the style WCW. Do y'all see those? Those are bomb.com. Yeah, and then that's basically it for the whole look. Like, I didn't put no eyeliner or nothing. I did put the 2 blues on my bottom lash line, and now I'm taking Lush Marie Cosmetics. This is their Brawny Glow highlighter. I love this. I actually thought it was going to be darker than it looks, but it's fine. It's fine. And it looks really pretty. Like, it just gave me the right amount of glow, because y'all know I be ODing. Y'all don't gotta tell me, but I know it. And then I'm just taking their lips. Pink Icing is the gloss, and I forgot the pink lipstick, but this is Pink Icing. I love this lip gloss. It looks so pretty. And that's basically it. Like, that's the whole look. I hope you guys like it. Let me know what you guys think of it, and yeah, I see y'all in my next one. Bye.